What up, guys? Here with Ash 56.
What up?
Gonna take a look at my new machine.
The Festiva died. Tranny went out.
1968 GMC half ton, 2-wheel drive. Take a peek. Oh, it's not a C10.
What is with you and always having the same tread pattern on your freaking tire?
Alright, so we're gonna put the choke on and pump the gas a little. 327, 350 head, completely rebuilt motor.
You can see from over here. You know it's a Chevy though, so she's bound to blow. Let's see if she'll start.
Gotta let the fuel pump get some gas in the carburetor.
She got some sack. But now for the bad news.
Oh, they got a full tank of gas, oil pressure.
It's terrible mileage. Doesn't move.
She doesn't idle too good when she's cold. So I gotta keep my foot on the gas. GMC.
Focus on your foot. People like that.
Keep her alive.
She's alright. She's old. She's old.
That's the beast.
That's a fucking hilarious gas pedal. It's not even a pedal.
Take a look at the motor. Got a
It's sore on the foot after a 6-hour drive.
yeah, 327 to 350 head. It's completely rebuilt, new pistons, new rod, new pistons, new rods, new rings, new crank. So it's got a. Take this baby off here. Edelbrock 650. She's nice.
She's nice.
Big battery. It's got a new coil, new voltage regulator, new alternator. And it has to have a separate fuel pump. It's because it can't a regular fuel pump on it just wasn't enough. Gotta make sure this on right.
I'm a Honda dude here, so you know, for all you dumbasses, that's like putting a Walbro 255 in your Honda. But that don't mean shit here.
Doesn't burn no oil.
That you know of.
It doesn't.
It don't. Check its oil, it won't.
It's good. So that's my truck.
Voltage regulator. What about the Ford?
Long box.
What about the Ford? When was the last time the Ford ran?